This video will focus on processing uncertainties when values are added or subtracted. During the addition or subtraction of values, the rule here is that the uncertainty of the final value is the sum of the absolute uncertainty of each value. For example, here are 4 books, each with a height of 2 centimeters and uncertainty of plus or minus 0.1 centimeter. The total height of the books is 2 times 4, which is 8 centimeters, and the uncertainty on this value, according to the rule, is the sum of the uncertainty of each one, 0.4 centimeters. Therefore, the total value is 8 plus or minus 0.4 centimeters. Let's see what the uncertainty in the total height, 0.4, means physically. If each book was at the upper limit of its uncertainty, so 2 plus 0.1 centimeters, which is 2.1 centimeters, the total height would be 2.1 times 4, which is 8.4 centimeters. If each book was at the lower limit of its uncertainty, so 2 minus 0.1 centimeters, which is 1.9 centimeters, the total height would be 1.9 times 4, which is 7.6 centimeters. So, the total height of the stack is realistically in between 8.4 and 7.6 centimeters. This is 8 centimeters plus or minus 0.4 centimeters, just like we determined from the rule. You won't have to memorize this rule, as it's noted in the data booklet. Y is the combined uncertainty, with A and B being the values added or subtracted. Here's an example of where you may need to subtract values. However, remember that we still need to add their absolute uncertainties. Here is the spring, with length 10 plus or minus 0.1 centimeters. When a mass is added, the string extends to become 13.5 plus or minus 0.1 centimeters. The extension of the spring is the extended length minus the original, 13.5 minus 10, which is 3.5 centimeters. The uncertainty, however, is still the sum of the uncertainties in each reading, so this is 0.2 centimeters. The extension is therefore 3.5 plus or minus 0.2 centimeters. The final combined uncertainty should always be expressed to one significant figure, like we have done here, unless that figure is 1, in which case there should be 2 significant figures. For example, if the extension was 6.7 plus or minus 0.12 centimeters, the uncertainty would round to 0.1 centimeters to one significant figure, but this is actually still written as 0.12, 2 significant figures, as the first number is 1. The second thing to check is that the number of decimal places in the final value matches the number of decimal places in the uncertainty, as the value cannot be more precise than the uncertainty. In this case, we have 1 decimal place for the value and the uncertainty, so this is fine. Back to our hypothetical extension of 6.7 centimeters, we can see that having added the extra significant figure means that we have an uncertainty to 2 decimal places, so the decimal places on the value must match.